computer teacher. Today we are going to discuss about formatting slides in PowerPoint. In our previous class, we have used PowerPoint for making presentation. A presentation is display of information in the form of text, image, animation and sound. Basically, we are using a presentation to represent our information in the form of text, image, animation and sound. For that, we are using PowerPoint application software. People make presentation to express their concept to the audience. Teacher, professor, student, politicians and the sales representative use PowerPoint to make presentation very often. To represent our ideas to people, we are using PowerPoint presentation. It makes our text attractive and easily understandable to the audience. For that, we are using PowerPoint software. A presentation consists of number of slides. In a presentation, it consists of number of slides. When presentation is displayed on the screen as a series of slides, it is called a slideshow. When we are representing a presentation one by one on the screen, when number of slides are running one by one on the screen, that is called slideshow. Today we are going to focus on few topics of formatting slides in PowerPoint. In this chapter, we cover up all these topics. Creating a new presentation means how to create a presentation in PowerPoint. Components of PowerPoint, different components we will discuss together of PowerPoint. How to insert text in a slide, inserting object in a slide, how to insert like picture, chart, graph if you want to insert in your slide, that is called objects. How to insert that object in your slide. Next, aligning text. How to align the data either on the left side, right side of the slide where you want to place your text on the slide, that is called alignment of text. Inserting slide. How to insert a new slide in the existing presentation. Inserting objects in a slide. How to insert objects in the slide, already have written. Inserting word art. If you write any heading or represent your data in attractively, for that we are using word art. Inserting shape. If you want to insert any shape, there are different category of shapes are available in the PowerPoint. How to insert that shape, we will discuss in that topic. How to insert shape. Now, as I said, a presentation. Now let's start presentation. PowerPoint software. How to start PowerPoint? Click on window or press the window key from your keyboard. Then click on the search bar. In the search bar, you have to write Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Then after that, after writing this, press enter key. Your Microsoft window get started in front of you, open in front of you. Now you can see here, it consists of number of slides. By default, it will display a single slide. You can add number of slides in your presentation. It consists of number of slides in the PowerPoint. When these slides are displayed one by one on the computer screen, that is called slide show. Now, how to create a new presentation? Now I have told you how to open a presentation. Now we will discuss together how to create a new presentation. A presentation can be created from a built-in template or from a blank presentation. Click on the file tab first. There are few steps you have to follow to create a new presentation. Click on the file tab, then choose option new from the under the file tab, then choose blank presentation, then click on create. A blank presentation get opened or created in front of you with the help of blank presentation. There are two ways I have told you: create it from a built-in template or from a blank presentation. As I have told you, through blank presentation option, let us create and format slide as per your choice. As I have told you the steps of the blank presentation, from the file menu, click on, again I am telling you, file menu, click on the file menu, choose new option, select the blank presentation, then click on the create button for creating a blank presentation. Now next is built-in template. First, what is template? We are going to discuss together. Templates are pre-designed presentation that contain layout, color, fonts, effect, background style and even content. In simple, you can say that template are the pre-designed presentation. Already you have ready-made presentation. Already there are colors inbuilt, fonts, background style and even content is also written on that. That are called templates. Pre-designed presentation that contain color, layout, font, background style and even content. Template provide a blueprint for a presentation that we can modify. These are the pre-designed presentation which we can modify easily or called templates. To create a presentation from a template, again click on the file tab. I am telling you how to create a built-in templates. Click on new option. Under the available templates and theme, click on the sample templates. You can see here number of options are given over there. First we have opted blank presentation to create a blank presentation. Now we are choosing the option sample templates. A gallery of available templates is displayed. You can see here gallery of sample template is displayed in front of you. Click on the template option, which template you want for your presentation. I have opted that. In the same way you can opt any for your template for your presentation. I have choose that of template. Then click on, after choosing the template, click on the template option. Click on create button. Create button is given on the right side. You can see here PowerPoint create a new presentation based on the selected template. Now you can see here by default a presentation get created in front of you on the basis of template option. Again I am telling you how to create a presentation through built-in template. Click on the file tab, new option, click on the sample template option, choose a template from the available template given over there. You can take any template from here, choose a template, then click on the create button. A PowerPoint create a new presentation based on the selected template. A new presentation gets created in front of you on the basis of selected template which I have selected from the sample template. I think all of you clear. There are the two ways to create a presentation. One is the blank presentation, another to create a presentation through built-in template. When we save a file of the PowerPoint, it's saved with the extension of .pptx. How to save a file? I will tell you from here. You can see here, click on the file tab, click on save as option. Save as dialog box appear in front of you. Give the file name. I have given a file name here, AKMS1. Save as type, it will take as PPTX because we are creating a file in the PowerPoint. The extension of the PowerPoint file is .pptx. When we are creating a presentation, it save the file with the extension of PPTX. When we are creating a template file, then it will take the extension .potx. Our file gets saved. Save as, we have choose the option again. We save our file on the desktop. Save. You can see here, I will show you, that is of AKMS file saved on desktop with the name of AKMS1 PPT file. Extension of the PowerPoint file is pptx and template file is .potx. Now, next we are going to discuss install themes. A theme, what is theme first? A theme is a setting with predefined combination of color, fonts, effects that can be applied to a presentation. A theme is basically a predefined combination of color, fonts, effects that can be directly applied to a presentation. As we have discussed a template, that is a predefined presentation, and now we are going to discuss themes. These are the predefined combination of color, fonts, effects, whatever we want to apply on our presentation. That are the combination of all things like font, color, effects that can be applied on a presentation. That are called themes. Now, how to apply a theme to a presentation? Then there are few steps you have to follow to install a theme on your presentation. For that, you have to click on File tab. From the File tab, you have to choose option New. Available templates and theme get open in front of you. You can see here available templates and themes get open in front of you. You can choose any theme of your choice. You can click on the theme option first. After New tab, you have to click on the theme option. There are different themes are given over there. You can choose any theme of your choice that get applied on your presentation when you click on the Create button. Now you can see here that theme get applied to our presentation. Again, I will tell you how to apply a theme to your presentation. There are few steps you have to follow to apply the theme on a presentation. Click on File menu, click on New option. Under the File menu, click on Theme option. Number of options are given over there: blank presentation, sample template, themes, recent template. You have to click on Theme option. Then choose the option you want and click on Create button. Choose the option. Number of themes are displayed here. Choose any theme from here. After selecting the theme, click on Create button. Theme get applied to your presentation. Now, I think all of you clear how to take a blank presentation, how to create a built-in template, and how to install the theme to your presentation. All the 3 points, I think all of you clear. And we have discussed one more thing. Extension of the PowerPoint file is .pptx and the extension of the template file is .potx. Now next we are going to discuss about different topics of PowerPoint. We will discuss that point in the next class. Till the time, you have to practice all these topics which I have discussed with you today. Thank you, class.